hear it now? Some people just went walking down the street too.
Yeah.
What are they doing?
I have no idea.
Sorry about the thunder, bestie. Just continue. I thought that was a truck.
You hold this on that. I'm going in.
Sorry, my dad was talking. It's hard to do two things at once. It's our buddy, Captain Bluey.
Yeah, that's Captain Bluey, of course. If he can go ahead and give us, like, a wave.
Uh-oh.
The rain's coming.
And,
that light looks cool though, Caroline. Oh, look at that.
Yep.
Just wait for the thunder. Lightning's always first, right?
Mm-hmm.
with all his characters,
That's fucking cool. I love it.
Hanover gets some of the best thunderstorms.
I love nature.
Yeah.
Guys, sorry about that. That was just a big crack of thunder right there.
Oh, I did not even hear that.
Your headphones are too good.
Yeah. That's because I'm trying to do the introduction without the...
I can just hear Mom waking up right now, be like, what the hell's going on?
Yeah, wonder where the hell you are.
I'm underneath the thingy
No,
McRiver.
we're
I'm
fine
fine.
right here. We're fine. Unless the wind blows us in, we go in. But
Here, I'll mute the mic, bestie, just in case.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah, that's that. Yeah. But yeah, last time
This does hurt the arm.
hold it up like that.
Two at the same time.
Oh, they're not that heavy.
I was just trying to catch the thunder. That's why I went on this phone.
You should have got some good lightning strikes. Nope.
Someone's in trouble. I missed it. Dang it. Wait for it. Thanks, Dad.
Look at that.
You jinxed it. You
We're in the middle of it now. The other
cleared your
part.
throat.
Mhm.
You cleared your throat.